Okay, yeah. I hope this time around with these two series on measurement, you guys will find it enriching. This is an area where we might dwell into concepts such as sine rule, cosine rule, Pythagoras theorem, you name it. So let's try and look at what's inside for us. Right. The first problem, quite different people. Let's say, look. Jade is building a house, and so it's not going to scale for the dimensions here. We look at the picture, it looks rectangular, side that we expect this side to be 2.8 meters as well, and this one here to be 7.5 meters. You're left with this section. This section we check, or we double these two, and we subtract it from 11.8. It gives us this corresponding part. So let's check if I do so, that will be 11.8 minus 6.4. So my calculation will give me 5.4 then. So it means this one is 5.4 meters. Now we put all the dimensions. What are we interested in finding? And they're saying find the area of the floor. So if we want area of the floor, well, we've got different options to bring about it. But my thinking says if I try and close it on this shape like this, looks like from the outside it's a rectangle and I can subtract the interior rectangle that would be. So if I'm correct, my calculation is 11.8 times 7.5. Right, so it's 11.8 multiplied by 7.5. That's a bigger rectangle that I have. But I want to subtract from this the other rectangle 5.4 by 2.8 to give me the area of interest. So let me try to do my long multiplication approach here. So it's going to be 0, 7 times 8 plus 56 is carried by 7 times 1 plus 7, but the 5 will carry is a strong carry 7 times 1 is 7 and it's over 1 2 minutes. So I get an 82.6. Let me try to do the same for this. Well, I'll start with, well, I did not finish my multiplication. Next, we are now multiplying by 5 by 8 to give us 40 carry 4. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 we carry is 9. 5 times 1 plus 5. Then we add 2. So give us 0 here, then plus 5 plus 15, 5 carry 1. 5 plus 2 is 10 plus the 1 we carry 8. What is 8? Then 8. So the actual result is 88.5. I'll do the same here and start by putting a 0 to straight. 2 times 4, get 8, 2 times 5, that's 10. I'm going to 8, 8 times 4, 8 to carry 3, 8 times 4, 4 plus 3 we carry 43. Then I sum 2. Give me 2, 8 plus 3 plus 11, 1 carry 1 plus 4 is a 5. And if two numbers after the comma they will be. So finally, we are saying we want to look at the difference. For the difference going to be probably 88.50 subtract 15.12. And the result is the area of the floor plan. So here I have 10 minus 2 gives me 8. And then what I borrowed the 5 minus 2 gives me 3. And this time around is 8 minus 5, that's 3. 8 minus 1, 7. So it looks like that's my area of the floor plan. For every square meter of floor area, it costs 2,175 to build the house. Calculate the cost of the building the house. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. Wow. 2175. Let's check. I'm going to multiply it by that now. And it looks like this problem here it requires not to use a calculator. It's going to be, let's see, 2175 multiplied by 73.38. The total significance added or bring a calculator to say I got an area of 73.38. I want to multiply it by the cost which I'm given is 2175. 2175. Then I check the result and okay, then it's going to be, let's make it yes, no. It gives me 159,601.5. So it's 159601. 159, 1.5. But they are saying to be significant figure. So do it from the left. This is 1, 2, 3. So make it still using this one here. And because it's more than 4, here you 1. And when we do so, it will give us 160,123.00. So actually it will cost 160,000 to build I mean, actually put the squares, the answers in it. So there we go. Moving to the next problem. I have a information problem here. I think my writing screen moved now. So there I have the diagram shows a section of the code used to eventually calculate the value of x. So a is my opposite side, that's my adjacent. And I know tan of angle x is equal to opposite side, which is at 1.8, over adjacent, which is 1.75. So to get x is going to be a tan or inverse tan of 1.8 over 1.75. So let me pick my calculator and try it. So there in second function, go to turn away, open the bracket, then I put in fraction 1.8 divided by, I go to 1.75. Then I close my brackets. The result is going to be 45.8 degrees. So that's 45.81, whose decimal place, 45.81. So right here, 45.81, let me double check. 45.81 in this degrees. Right. Um, Now I am on the present for pages to my area. Let me go to the page and try to see if I can resolve. So Jack invests 50,000 for 3 years in the top 2% per month. It's calculated to amount that you save again. These 3 years. So my formula which I'm in for coupon interest is P into 1 plus I out or n. So P is my principal amount, which is 50,000, and into 1 plus my highest interest was 2% plus 2 over 100, which will give me 0.02 raised to the power 3. So to simplify this, I'll make my calculator, which I will start by testing on the exponential part, which is 1.02 being raised to the power 3. I check what I get. Then I'll multiply this by 50,000. And the result is going to be the turning to decimal. So it's 53,000 and 60.4. So 53,060.4. 53,060.4. Remember, 4 is cents. Then I moved to T. Jack also built a department for 180,000. He sells it for 198,000. Calculate the percentage profit. So percentage profit is going to be given by we need base our selling minus cost over cost multiplied by 100. When I do my substitution, 198,000 minus 180,000 over 180,000 multiplied by 100. I need my calculator for this. So it's 198,000. So I have 198,123 minus 180, 123. It will give me is divided by 180, 123. And so it will give me 10 then. And this answer multiplied by 100, it will give me the percentage. So that's 10. So this will be actually equal to 10. I think that was it for the first part. We'll meet again in the second part of the trigonometric parts. Thank you.